Make a great choice today with the 2018 Ford EcoSport. The Ford EcoSport has an upgraded interior that provides all the features you could ever want. It also offers you the functionality of an SUV, but in a size where you feel in control. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, rear parking aid, four-wheel disc brakes. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.